Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problems in Windows 10 with your printer. So for doing this you just need to go to search tab and just write in search tab troubleshoot. Here you can see troubleshoot settings, so just tap on it. And now you will see get up and running tab, and here you will find printer. So just tap on printer and just tap on run the troubleshooter. So after you tap on it, it will open new window in which it will detect problems with printers and just propose you show you list with all problems, and just you will choose all problems you want to fix and it will automatically fix it. After, you just need to restart your computer and it will successfully. So here you can see just tap on run the troubleshooter, and here you can see that it detecting problems, and after it will show to you list of all problems it find and automatically solve it. After, you just restart your computer and I hope that you won't have any problems again. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.